Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. It's been a long week since we got back from vacation, but finally got the car out. It's a solid like 35 degrees today probably, but we're still out here. Me and Carson are heading to the beach right now. Let's see what we can get into after that. Definitely missing Florida right now. I think Carson wants to try to get a couple photos while we're down here. I know he brought his camera, so we'll probably do that and then cruise somewhere else. Not used to driving a low car.
Yeah. Oh, it's the cold.
It's not too bad, honestly. Got the heat cranked. Try to get some good photos.
Should have parked on like this side of the
Try some different angles. Just got a few pictures. It's pretty cold out here. I think we're gonna go to another spot though. I'll let him go ahead of me. Definitely miss driving cars, man. It's cool to work on them, but this is honestly what makes me happy. Although these roads really don't. I wish this wasn't so bumpy out here. Ugh. Alright guys, we just got done taking some pictures and stuff by the lake, but right now I'm going to head home. Got a bunch of stuff we got to unbox and try to install in the car today, so we're going to pick this up there. Alright guys, we have a bunch of stuff to open here today. I guess I'm just going to get right to it. I know what a couple of these are, but some of them I'm not exactly sure, so just going to get started. Right, so this is a Street Faction fire extinguisher mount. It comes with the bracket, comes with this that actually mounts it to it. This bolts underneath your seat in the front, it just kind of sits on the floor. Should be pretty cool. Got an extinguisher right here. Definitely want to have this in the car, especially if I'm gonna do like autocross and stuff like that. And just with messing with wiring in general, it's always safe to have that. Let's see what else we got here. Not sure what this is. Alright, so this is actually the AC delete kit for the Miata. I'm not sure if I really want to do this yet or not, but this was pretty cheap online. Basically, you just take out all the AC lines, all the fittings and everything, block off the firewall with these plugs, and then you would take this in the inside of the car under the dash, and this will kind of take out that box and just replace it. Not sure if I want to do that yet. I think it would definitely clean up the engine bay a lot, which is what I do want to do, so we'll see. This box right here was from the steering wheel that I got. This was pretty much how I received it. So I already opened it, I put it on the car. I'll show you that in a minute. But these are the new lug nuts for the Aristo. These are the same exact ones that I have on the Miata, Project Kicks. I really like these lug nuts a lot. They're super solid. They come with a few locking ones from Japan. Really like these. And these I've really been waiting for because I want to get all the aero paint matched for the car, and this was the final piece that I was looking for. Now these are brand new OEM from Mazda, and these are the rear spats for the Miata. Now these are already painted, but I am going to have my guy change the color to the silver, obviously. This will basically just sit on the rear arch and give it that wider look once we have the side skirts and the front lip on. Super excited about these. I actually need to send all the stuff off to paint, hopefully within the next day or two, and I should have it back pretty soon. Other than that, I think I have one box left here. And this is actually what I want to try to install today. All right, so this is the Flying Miata front sway bar. Super solid. They had a couple options if whether you want to do the solid or the tubular. I went with the solid. It's a little heavier. Basically what this does is it reduces body roll. It just tightens up the front of the car a lot more when you're turning, come out of corners faster. Overall, it's gonna be nice. Been wanting to put this on the car for a while. I think I've had this for about 2 months now. Comes with some new bushings and mounts. So I'm gonna try to put this on the car today and probably get the extinguisher in as well. Before I get started real quick, I guess I'll show you guys the steering wheel. Super stoked on this thing. I've actually wanted one of these for about a year now. Saw that they had a couple in stock, so I grabbed one. So this is the Club Street Hate wheel. I believe it's like a 350 millimeter, super deep dish. Suede. Fits the car pretty well, I think. Got this new little charm here I picked up in Florida. Also got some new floor mats. Definitely digging the interior so far. I do want to get to work on this thing, but I'm trying to get the Miata done because it's going to be a lot of fun to drive. It's starting to actually be pretty nice out here today, so I think I'm just going to try and work in the driveway. Alright guys, I just got my mount all situated. Basically mounted that first little bracket to this bottom part, and then this is going to bolt into the car. I already took out the bolts just to kind of fit it, but it's just going to sit just like that, and then we'll put the extinguisher on. That's pretty much it for that. Super simple. It's functional. It's out of the way. Looks good. If I ever need it, literally just pop that right there, pull it out, and there's your extinguisher. All right, now I gotta open the garage, get this thing on jack stands, and start removing the sway bar so I can swap it out. Right, these things look pretty good together. Just got this on jack stands. Right now I need to remove these two bolts. I believe they're a 12 millimeter, and then remove this, which I think is a 14 on both sides, and then try to maneuver this bar out somehow. So surprisingly, I was able to get this out pretty easily. I just undid a couple of these bolts holding the under tray on and managed to slide it out. So that was cool. I'm gonna go grab the other bar now and kind of compare the two and then try to get the new one back in. All right, so here's the new bar. It's definitely a lot heavier. It's definitely a lot thicker. So it should give us some pretty good stability. See about getting this thing through here, throw the new mounts on, and then we'll be all set. Also, before I forget real quick, these do come with grease, so you can grease these bushings. That way it won't be creaking or anything like that, and it'll preserve these bushings for a while as well. Just got this side all mounted up, 2 bolts, same as before. Now I'm gonna tighten these pretty good, but then I'm gonna go for a little drive, and then I'm actually gonna tighten it on the ground, because you wanna tighten it once it has the tension of the wheel and everything on it, so it's super solid. All right guys, just got this thing all wrapped up. Got a couple tools to put away. Take her for a little test drive, see how it handles. Before we do that, I want to show you guys the next giveaway. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like this video. We're going to be giving away this Momo steering wheel that originally came on the Aristo, as well as a set of floor mats. If you do win, I'll also be throwing in a keychain, a lanyard, and a sticker set. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like this video. Let's go for a cruise. Alright, we're going to go around the block a couple times, see if we can notice any difference in the handling. Pretty nice day out today for being March. that'll do for now. That was pretty fun. Definitely been a good first day here with the Miata. Super stoked I got all this stuff done. Definitely have a lot more to go. I actually have a list for both cars of things that I want to do and need to do, but we'll get to it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.